In the welcoming neighborhoods of Loves Park, first impressions matter. Whether you're preparing to sell your home or simply want to enhance its beauty, one of the most powerful upgrades you can make is installing a modern door design. Your front door sets the tone for your entire property. It's the focal point of your home's exterior, the place where visitors are greeted, and the feature that reflects your personal style. Modern door designs don't just improve aesthetics, they also combine innovation, durability, and energy efficiency. Let's explore how updating your entryway can transform your home's curb appeal and add long-term value to your property in Loves Park. Making a lasting first impression, your entry door is the first detail people notice when they approach your home. A faded, outdated, or weathered door can make even a well-maintained house appear tired. On the other hand, a sleek modern design instantly communicates care, sophistication, and attention to detail. Modern doors often feature clean lines, bold colors, and minimalist accents that complement both contemporary and traditional Loves Park architecture. A well-chosen door design, whether it's a solid wood statement piece, a fiberglass model with glass inserts, or a steel door with geometric patterns, creates an inviting, memorable first impression that adds personality to your home. Enhancing architectural harmony, modern door designs are incredibly versatile, making it easy to find one that suits your home's style. In Loves Park, where architectural diversity ranges from cozy ranch homes to elegant two-stories, today's door manufacturers offer endless customization options to blend seamlessly with any exterior. Glass panel doors work perfectly for modern and transitional homes, allowing natural light to brighten your entryway while maintaining privacy. Wood grain finishes bring warmth to brick or stone facades, creating a timeless, upscale appearance. Matte black or brushed steel finishes complement minimalist or industrial-style properties. When you choose a door that harmonizes with your home's structure and color palette, it elevates your entire property's visual balance and sophistication. Increasing natural light and openness, a modern entryway can do more than just look good, it can change how your home feels. Many modern designs incorporate decorative glass inserts, side lights, or transom windows that allow natural light to pour into your interior. This infusion of sunlight creates a more welcoming, open atmosphere inside your home while also enhancing the exterior look from the curb. The warm glow from your entryway makes your home feel more inviting in the evenings, an elegant touch that's especially appealing to Loves Park homeowners who value comfort and charm. Combining style with durability, Loves Park's seasonal changes, from hot summers to cold, snowy winters, mean homeowners need doors that can stand up to fluctuating temperatures and moisture. Modern doors are built to withstand the elements while maintaining their beauty for years to come. Materials like fiberglass, steel, and composite blends are engineered for durability and minimal maintenance. These doors resist warping, cracking, and fading, ensuring that your investment continues to look stunning long after installation. Many models also feature energy-efficient insulation and tightly sealed frames, keeping your home comfortable while lowering utility bills. Adding value to your property beyond beauty and functionality, a modern door upgrade can significantly boost your home's resale value. Real estate professionals consistently rank door replacement as one of the top home improvement projects with the highest return on investment. Buyers are immediately drawn to homes that look well cared for, and a stylish new door signals that your property has been thoughtfully maintained. Whether you plan to sell soon or stay for years, modernizing your entryway enhances both appeal and equity. Reflecting personal style, your door is an opportunity to express your personality. Maybe you want to make a bold statement with a vibrant red or navy finish, or perhaps you prefer a natural wood look that complements your landscaping. Modern door designs offer custom colors, glass patterns, hardware finishes, and textures, allowing you to tailor your entryway to reflect your unique taste. A home in Loves Park with a personalized, eye-catching front door stands out for all the right reasons. It feels warm, distinctive, and authentically yours. Final thoughts. In a community as charming as Loves Park, where neighborhood pride runs deep, Upgrading to a modern door design is one of the most effective ways to boost curb appeal. It's an investment that pays off in aesthetics, comfort, and long-term value. From sleek materials and stylish glass panels to energy-efficient performance, today's modern doors perfectly combine form and function. If your current door feels dated or doesn't match your home's personality, consider consulting a local Loves Park door installation expert. With the right design and professional installation, you'll give your home the beautiful first impression it deserves, one that welcomes guests and turns heads across the neighborhood.